Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Arila, and for this challenge, I would like to do normality test in order to know whether the data is normally distributed or not. So, this is the data that we will analyze using SPSS program. And the first thing that you need to do is open the SPSS program, and then we go to variable view and we give the name of the data. We give x and y, and we change the decimal into 0, and we give the label creativity A and also creativity B. And then we go to don't forget to change the measure into scale, and we go to data view and we input the data from the Excel program. We copy paste into SPSS program. And then we click analyze descriptive statistic, and then click export, and then we move put variable into dependent list, and then we click statistic descriptive, we need to tick it, and then plot, we need to tick normality plots with test and also histogram, and then click continue, and then click OK. Here is the result of normality test of the data, and we need to copy paste into Excel program. Therefore, we have the normality test of the data, and the significance score is for creativity A is more than 0.05. Therefore, it can be concluded that the significance score is normally distributed. But on the other hand, on creativity B, the significance score is less than 0.05. Therefore, it can be concluded that this data is not normally distributed. Therefore, for further analysis, we can use Mann Whitney test because the data is not normally distributed. To input the data is still the same as in normality test, then we go directly to the data analysis section. We open the SPSS program first and click analyze, and then we choose non-parametric test and legacy dialects, and then choose two independent samples. For variable creativity, we move into test variable list, and for department we move into grouping variable. We check the option, we tick the descriptive and click continue. Don't forget to click define group. We give code for group 1, code 1, and code 2 for group 2. And don't forget to click Mann Whitney test and click OK. Here is the results of test Mann Whitney test, and we will copy paste this result into Excel program. As you can see in the screen that the Mann Whitney test shown the asymptotic 0.456, that is more than 0.05, and it can be concluded that the hypothesis is rejected. And for finding the effect size, we need to find out the square root of n and also z. N is the total number of the data, which is 92. Here is the n, 92, and we need to make square root of 92 is 9.59, and then z is 0.746. We write it into this Excel program in here. Square root of n is 9.59, and for z is 0.74. Okay, if we want to find the size effect size of the data, we need to divide it the z with the square root of n. So the result is 0.07. So that is the effect size of the data. Furthermore, if we want to find out the median of creativity variable, we go to Spss program first and click analyze, and then choose compare means and choose means, and then variable view of creativity, we move into dependent list and department into independent list, and we check the option. We move the median into the right side and click continue, and then click OK. Okay, this is the median of the data, and we will copy paste this result into Excel program. Okay, in here Yeah, this is the results of the median of the data. Therefore, in conclusion, a Mann-Whitney test revealed that there is no significant difference in creativity level of student English department with median 334.50 and non-English department with the median 339 with U 962.50 and Z 0.74 and P 0.44 and R, which is effect size 0.07. Therefore, the effect size from this data would be considered as a small effect size. We can write this analysis in below. Okay. Median for English department. Median for non-English department. And here is the U Mann Whitney U. We write in here Z 0. Here is the result of Mann-Whitney test with a small size effect. That's all for me. I'm sorry if I have wrong analysis, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.